Hello again. Here's the second of my trig equations solved, slightly trickier than the one before. The difference here this time when I'm solving this particular equation is that I've got 2x in here before the simpler one just has a single x. So this one has 2x in here, which will change the domain in particular, and we'll come to that in a minute. First thing, again, we start with the basic angle. Now, the basic angle, sine of some angle equals root 3 on 2. We don't worry about the sign. We're just looking for that number in the first quadrant, and we got root 3 on 2. You will perhaps look up your formula sheet to find what that angle is, or I will draw a triangle. The 2, 1, root 3 triangles I will use. The sine of the angle is root 3 on 2, so that must be in here, so that's pi on 3. So I know that sine pi on 3 equals root 3 on 2, or my basic angle. Is pi on 3. Now I have to go to which quadrant my solutions will be in. Well, I've got sine and it's positive. Sines are positive here and here, so I know I'm in those two quadrants. And I mark in my basic angle from there to the horizontal line or to the x-axis. So that angle there is pi on 3, and that angle there is pi on 3. And now I have to look for my solutions in the domain. This is where we get a slight difference because we're given this domain for x. And that means for 2x, because this question is asking us about 2x, we can double everything. So we double 0, 2 times 0 will give you still nothing, but 2 times 2 pi will give you 4 pi. So 2x goes between 0 and 4 pi. So we have to look in all that lot for our solutions. Right, starting, therefore, we get 2x equals, or our angle equals, we're allowed to start here, go 2 pi, 4 pi, find all the solutions. The first one we come to is that on there, on that angle will just be pi on 3. The second solution will be the one over here, and that would be 2 pi on 3, or pi minus pi on 3, which is 2 pi on 3. Next solution, we'll go right there on 2 pi plus pi on 3, which will be 7 pi on 3. And keeping going, we get over to here, which is plus another pi on 3, we get to 8 pi on 3. We get 4 solutions within our domain for 2x, which is from 0 to 4 pi. We're almost there. We now just have to divide. This is like 4 different equations. Just divide by 2 and we'll find out what our x is. 5 by 2 we get pi on 6, 2 pi on 6, 7 pi on 6, 8 pi on 6. We won't leave it like that because you can write these things a bit simpler, so we'll simplify at the end. That's pi on 6, 2 pi on 6 is pi on 3, 7 pi on 6, and 4 pi on 3. And we get those 4 solutions. You might want to just have a check, make sure they do all fall within the range, within the domain for x, and they do, so it's all worked out. And that's the second one.